Hello, I'm Martin Sadler from CAMAUTO, and I'd like to show you our new bridge. This is an aluminium bridge. It's made from aircraft aluminium. It's very light. Okay, so there you go. It's got a single feet on there. We can also add the double feet option, but I'll get back to that in a second. So a little bit more on this bridge. It's, like I say, it's extremely light. You can hold it with one hand. So let's talk a little bit more about the bridge and how it works. So we've got the claw there, and that's the part that you stick to your tab. We can easily adjust it, so we can pull the damage out with just 3 fingers, and also we can put an impact gun on there and zap it up really quick. And the advantage of doing that with the gun is when you're working on the side of a vehicle, you've got your hands like this and you've got the damage there. If it's too heavy, it will be sagging down, but with this, super light, stick it on with one hand, get the impact gun and just blast it up. It just comes out really quick. Also, if the feet are too high on the bridge, we can take a extension off and we can lower it down like that. So as you can see, we've taken off a couple of inches. As well as this, we can take the single foot off and we can put the double foot on. I'd say very easy, and this is super light. There you go. Put that on like that. We can also move the feet inwards. So if you're working on a panel that has got a body line or a decent shape to it, we can turn the feet and it'll fit any surface of the panel. Like I said, this is made from aircraft aluminium. There you go, it's nice and thick in there. There's no way you're going to bend that. Going on to the pulling part, we'll just have a closer look here. It's multifunction, so we've got the hook and also we've got a groove in the centre there, so we can, using a tab with a normal end, that'll fit straight in, and you can use that with any tab as well as a CAMAUTO. If you're using a large tab with an eyelet, you can also line it up and put a bar through like that. Inside this threaded part, we've got ball bearings, so it's very easy to move, even with 3 fingers. So thanks for joining me on a little walk around the bridge. I'm Martin Sadler from CAMAUTO, and see you in the next video.